We Ethan now? Yes. This place looks very red. Why is it red? Well, it's gonna take us forever to get down this hall. It's gonna be like 6 inches by the time we get down there. And I mean the rain. What is this place? I don't get where he's even at right now. That's very bright.
The last trial. The last question. Are you prepared to give your life to save your sons?
Yeah.
There is a deadly poison in this vial. It will kill you in exactly 60 minutes. If you drink it, you will get the last letters of the address. You will have enough time to save your son and say goodbye to him, but then you will die. You can drink the vial or decide to leave. The choice is yours.
What? It's gonna kill me in 60 seconds? Well... My bucket. We gotta do what we gotta do.
The last letters have been sent to your phone.
I probably should remember this. 852 H.O. Roosevelt. Okay. That was it?
I did what I had
60
to, Sean.
minutes. I thought she
Your
said
dad's
60
coming
seconds.
to save you.
I could have swore she said seconds. I was like, well, what's the point? I mean, at least he'll survive, I guess. Come on, let's go, sir. You gotta go.
I'm nowhere and I'm out of time. Damn fucking shitty letters from this fucking address. Come on! There's gotta be a way to do this. Several different addresses fit these letters. God, they're scattered all over the city. I don't have time to check them all.
Okay, calm down. Wait, wasn't... I'm not gonna do this right. I'm gonna mess up. Okay, by the harbor. There's a harbor or something. That one.
I may only have time for one address. If Sean's not there, I'm done. It's a crapshoot.
Sound like a boat or a ship to me. Uh-oh.
We've only got a few more hours left to save Sean Mars. There has to be a goddamn clue somewhere. It's probably staring me in the face. This kid's gonna die, and I'm going around in circles!
All packed up and ready to go?
What are you talking about?
The investigation's over. We know who did it. We no longer need your services anymore, Norman. So you can ride your files all the way back to Washington. I'd be lying if I said I was gonna miss you.
The investigation isn't over. You have absolutely nothing on Mars.
Mars is guilty. Case closed. Anyway, it's no concern of yours now. You're off the case. So pack up and fuck off.
Blake, you are an unbalanced, psychopathic asshole.
I'll take that as a compliment. Honestly, I don't give a shit what you think. I found the origami killer. Everyone's happy. End of story. Have a nice trip back, Norman.
Okay. That's not cool. Oh god. No, not again. Are you kidding me? Oh, I didn't want him to take any more of that shit. God
The killer's
damn it.
name is here. Somewhere in this data. I just have to find it. Find it before it's too late.
Oh god. I'm gonna fail this.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you know what. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous. It'll end up killing you if you're not careful.
Okay.
That would be most unfortunate, sir.
Come on, we gotta look.
Two receipts from the same gas station. Might be near the killer's home.
Okay.
That doesn't get us anywhere.
Yeah, it does.
The killer lives in this zone. 342 people live around there. Not good enough. Gotta find a means of identifying the killer more precisely. The gun the killer left at the Blue Lagoon. Perhaps there's some way of tracing its history.
I mean, we try.
Impounded in a police case 5 years ago, the gun is still supposed to be in police custody. Who checked it out? If not a cop. Ari was in record mode when I was fighting with the killer. Perhaps there's something on it.
Yeah, let's do that. I saw something. No, wrong way.
Looks like the killer is a cop. Carter Blake! That would explain the dead-end investigation and his desire to frame Ethan Mars.
I saw something in that video. It's a fucking watch. Well, that ain't gonna do anything.
Cop. There's only one cop in that geoprofiling zone. Gotcha. He owns a warehouse on the docks. If I'm wrong, Sean Mars is dead.
It's a retired cop. There's that watch. Can I go to that watch and he'll remember about it? No, maybe not.
Are you sure it's the right car? At the docks. Call in the SWAT team. Oh, and I'll need a chopper. Today? Of course I'll need it today, you fucking imbecile.
Look at the watch on the desk. They're oh.
Hang on, John. I'll get help. Just hang on. Go on, hurry.
What am I supposed to do?
I think the water's rising. I'm hurrying. I'll be right back.
Why are we doing this? I thought the kid drowns. Dad's drunk. There's no point in going to see their dad. He probably won't believe anything he says anyways. I guess that's where we're going.
Dad, it's John. He fell into a pipe.
Ah,
He's
get out of
drowning.
here, you little pest. Leave me
You
alone.
gotta come, Dad. Come on, John's gonna die. John's gonna
Well,
die.
that'll be one less greedy mouth to feed, won't it?
See, I told
Go
you.
away.
Please, Dad, I'm
There's no
begging
point
you.
going there to father.
John's gonna die. John's gonna
What did
die,
I
Dad.
tell ya? Scrap!
You fucker.
Please, Dad. You've got to save John. I tried, John. I really tried. But he wouldn't come. Please don't die, John. Please. Don't
Scotty.
forget about me, Scotty.
Scott! Oh my god, it's the private investigator. I don't remember that. I don't remember that at all. Man, I can't believe how much I forgot about this thing. I don't remember that. Holy crap. And there he is. Is he the killer? Or is that just coincidence? Okay, yeah, I get it. It's his brother, but that don't mean he's a killer. I don't think it does. Maybe it does. Oh, look, he's got a box. It's like... Everybody's got a box, don't they? Just like that. She died. Yeah, but he was so helpful to people. What the fuck? He wasn't very helpful to Laura, and I kind of fucked that up, but... So what he does, he goes after evidence of the people that he's... the kid, you know. I see. He gets the evidence, and he does that. Wait, how did he do it? He didn't do it. What the fuck? How did he do it? You had control of him the whole time. He never went in there and killed him. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. So he is a killer. Did she die? So he goes there whenever she's sleeping? Right after her pills. Is he gonna kill himself? No. He did. Okay, we're back to medicine. She's going to his office. Oh my gosh, we're almost done. 5.6 inches. Damn it. This is not working very well with the controller again. God damn, are you kidding me? Not this again. Oh my gosh, it doesn't give you enough time to like to do the thing. There we go.
I lost your touch, girl.
Yeah, you did. You failed how many times? Did he go out the window? That window is open back there. He's probably not even in here.
Origami Killer's apartment. There must be something that'll tell me where Sean Mars is.
I already know where he's at. He's by the harbor.
That's where the smell of burning comes from. Evidence going up in smoke.
Yeah, there's nothing to salvage in there. Alright. Hey, you don't have it as an inhaler. Maybe he'll die. Is that wrong to say?
He used to be a cop.
Yeah.
Probably knew exactly how an investigation would be carried out.
Probably, yeah. Makes sense. Okay.
A cop's uniform. Always trust a cop. That's why children went with him. He was dressed as a cop.
Probably, yeah. There's always a secret compartment. Always. Seems like it anyways. Now there is a killer. They've always got a secret compartment. Oh, yep, there's the orchids that he's been growing. There's something typed out there. Oh, never mind.
Shit, it needs a password.
John! Oh, incorrect, okay. Shepherd, orchid. It wouldn't be Oregon. I don't know why I typed that, that's not gonna work. Damn
How
it!
does this twisted fuck's mind work? Gotta be something related to his childhood. What did he call those paper dogs when he
Max.
was a kid?
Max! I remember
it.
that.
Max. The name John gave to his paper dogs when he was a child. What the hell is that? An address. It's gotta be where
Roosevelt
Sean
Road.
Mars is. Hurry. There's no time to lose.
He's gonna be out there. Something bad's gonna happen.
So you found my little secret.
It's over, Scott. All those children killed just to find a father capable of saving his son?
Shut up! You don't understand.
There's one child left. There might still be time to save him. Let him go. Do what your father couldn't do.
Oh shit.
Get in there.
Well, that ain't gonna help. I don't know why I kept doing that. What the shit? That's not what I did. Oh, fuck. Did she put her ass through there? Oh yeah, she should be able to get through there. Oh shit balls. Go through the window! Wait, what? Go through the window.
It's way too high. I'll kill myself if I jump. I gotta find something else.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh my god, just go! We don't have time for this. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Get in the fridge! I don't know if this is right or not. Hopefully this is right. Yay, I did it! She's alive! So, yay!
I know where Sean Mars is. I've got to call that FBI guy Jaden. He's the only one I can trust. He'll be able to save him.
Mom and Jaden.
My name is Madison Page. You don't know me. I'm a journalist. We don't have much time, so listen carefully. Ethan Mars is innocent. The killer's name is Scott Shelby. Sean Mars is at 852 Theodore Roosevelt Road. You got all that?
Wait, I know this already. I'm on my way to the warehouse. I gotta go.
Because Ethan already knows, right? Oh god. Should I call Ethan? Ethan, I might get Ethan killed. I might get Ethan killed. I don't know. How much rain do we have left? Not very much. Can't be too much. 5 point. Oh god. We're like right at the end. Wait, how's he know which one to go in? Okay. I don't know how he would know where to go. There's it! It's right there! I see it!
Sean! Sean!
It's back here. It's gotta be it.
Sean! Sean!
He's right there.
Sean!
I'm stuck.
I've been looking for a long, long time, Ethan. Looking for a father that would be able to do what mine could not do. Sacrifice himself in order to save his son. Oh, I searched, searched, searched. And then I remembered you.
Wait, what? Oh, he was there?
All those murders. Just to find a father capable of saving his son.
Just to find a father? Do you have any idea how it feels to be a worthless nothing in your father's eyes? Believe me, I've suffered just as much as my victims.
I finished your damn trials. Now give me back my son!
He's there. All you have to do is open that grate.
I don't see him. Hi, Jaden. Shoot him, Jaden. What am I gonna do? There's a padlock on it, dummy. You need to find a bar. There's a bar. Perfect. Come on! Come on, come on, come on, come on. We gotta do it. You gotta do it, buddy. Did I get it? Come on, get him. Oh shit, come on. Get Sean, come on, Sean. Stay with me, Sean. Sean! Oh god, does he know CPR? Watch out! You didn't watch out. I told you watch out. Oh god. Pick up a weapon. Do something. Yeah, kick him there. Oh shit. Oh, I missed! Oh, shit! Come on, come on. God damn it!
Take your positions. The suspect is likely to be armed and dangerous. All personnel are ordered to shoot to kill. I repeat, shoot to kill. Ash, are the snipers in position?
Yes, Lieutenant. They're ready on your command.
Perfect. He won't get away this time. We'll gun him down as soon as he shows his face. Hey! You there! What are you doing?
Lieutenant, my name is Madison Page. I'm a journalist. I have proof that Ethan Mars is innocent. He's not the origami
Ash,
killer.
what is a journalist doing here? I thought I told everybody to keep their mouths shut. Now get her out of here. I don't want her getting in the way.
Okay, Lieutenant. All right, come on.
You're about to make a terrible mistake, Lieutenant. Ethan Mars is innocent. I can prove it.
Don't have me, son, please. Breathe.
Come on, Sean.
Gotta breathe.
Come on, Sean. Sean, don't die.
Don't leave me. Sean, don't leave me.
Come on, Sean. Wake up, buddy. Is he dead? Does he die? Come on, Sean. Oh, holy shit. Sean.
Oh, Sean. Oh. I thought you were gone.
Dad, I knew you'd come and save me.
Sean, listen. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. I want you to know that whatever happens, I love you more than anything in the world. I'm not dead. I took the poison an hour ago, and I'm not dead.
I forgot about that. I forgot that you took that. Oh god, am I gonna die? Is he still gonna die though?
Ash, get her out of my face.
Mars didn't do it, for Christ's sakes. He's innocent. Ah!
Hey, what are you doing?
I ain't paying attention, on.
Holy crap.
What do we do, Lieutenant?
Attention all personnel, hold your fire. I repeat, hold your fire.
Madison? What's going on?
The cops. They're out there. They have the building surrounded. They'll shoot you if you go outside.
I'll go out alone. I'll talk to them. I'll explain.
You'll be dead before you can open your mouth. Look, we'll all go out together, with our hands in the air, and they can't possibly shoot us. I have the evidence that proves your innocence, Ethan.
Listen, I'm sorry I didn't trust you. I was only thinking about Sean, and I thought...
There's no time for this. Let's go. Let's do something.
That's okay. The only thing that matters is that you saved your son.
He's not saved yet. They might shoot us. Because they're idiots. Why don't they... Where are the cops? They should see us, shouldn't they? Or hear it?
Save me. Please, save me.
I'm gonna help him. I don't know why. I should have saved him. Come on! Oh no! Shit! I don't push anything? Everybody survived except for Lauren. I got Lauren killed. Well, we still don't know what's going to happen with it. Oh, God. Right here. Don't shoot. Did I have enough evidence? God, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Wait, they didn't shoot. They're not shooting. Don't shoot. Did I get it? Did I win? Did I win the game?
There was general relief this morning when the police announced that they had found Sean Mars alive more than 4 days after his disappearance. Mars had been imprisoned in a well by the man known as the Origami Killer. The successful resolution of this case was made possible only by the bravery of Ethan Mars, who the police believed at one point to be the killer. It is no doubt due to his great courage and tenacity that he succeeded in foiling the plans of the Origami Killer. The police commissioner presented him with an official apology today. Our main headline today: it is reported that the police have identified the man thought to be the Origami Killer. Scott Shelby, 48, is a former police lieutenant who claimed to be a private eye hired by the families of the killer's victims. Shelby was killed during a massive police operation, but further details have not yet been released to the public.
Let's just say a friend of a friend let me jump in line. If we like it, it's ours.
Hey, Dad! I think I found my room!
Well, what do you think?
It's perfect, Ethan. We'll be able to forget what happened. We'll lead a normal life. And one day, it'll all just seem like a bad dream. We've earned the right to be happy now, Ethan. All three of us.
Get away from my dad, you hussy.
Our guest today is on the cover of Today's World magazine this week and has been hailed by the whole nation as a new hero for our times. Astonishingly, he almost single-handedly ended the sinister series of killings by the man known as the Origami Killer and saved the life of young Sean Mars. His determination, courage, and intelligence have won our admiration. Norman Jayden. Give it.
I want to see them again.
I'm a father too.
Stay back!